With over 7,000 employees and an annual sales revenue of 12.8 billion yuan, Shanghai Automobile Gear Works is a leading market player in automotive transmissions and key components. SAGW become an OEM supplier and significant strategic partner to many renowned motor companies. From 2017, SAGW set up the strategy cooperation with Westernacher to help the digital transformation. In 2018, the company, together with SAP and Westernacher Consulting, kickstarted a new digital factory project with SAP ERP, EWM, SNC, intended to shorten the launch cycle of new products, improve the flexibility of their supply chain, and optimize the utilization efficiency of manufacturing resources. The project successfully launched in just 6 months from blueprint development, system development, deployment, to user training. Westernacher Consulting implemented SAP solutions such as SAP EWM and utilized data to optimize procurement processes with SAP, ERP, and SNC. To increase visibility, a digital monitoring platform was built to effectively track the key KPIs in purchasing, production, and inventory. Advanced robots, AGV carts, and other high-tech equipment have helped increase efficiency in the warehouse. Using the powerful, intelligent, three-dimensional warehouse algorithm, storage area has been saved, and lean improvements have also effectively reduced inventory costs. This large-scale automation project was, without interrupting business days, nonetheless strategically implemented, and a smooth transition was achieved. Following the successful launch, SAGW is speeding up the construction of digital plants and is well underway to becoming the innovative company it strives to be.